Mapping services play a crucial role in the development and growth of cities, and Noida is no exception. Noida, a rapidly expanding city in India, requires efficient mapping services to keep up with its fast-paced development. Mapping services in Noida are responsible for creating accurate and up-to-date maps that provide essential information about the city's infrastructure, roads, and various landmarks. These services are vital for urban planning, transportation management, and emergency response systems. With the rapid expansion and development of Noida, mapping services have become increasingly important in ensuring the city's efficient functioning. One of the key aspects of mapping services in Noida is the design of the maps themselves. The design of maps plays a crucial role in their usability and effectiveness. A well-designed map should be easy to read, with clear symbols and labels that convey information quickly and accurately. In the case of Noida, mapping services need to consider the unique layout and infrastructure of the city. This includes accurately representing the road network, landmarks, and various amenities that are essential for residents and visitors of Noida. Effective design is essential to ensure that the maps are user-friendly and provide accurate information to those who rely on them. In addition to creating accurate and well-designed maps, mapping services in Noida also need to stay updated with the city's ongoing development. Noida is a rapidly growing city with new roads, buildings, and infrastructure being constantly added. This ensures that the maps remain relevant and useful for various purposes, such as navigation, transportation management, and urban planning. By staying updated with the city's development, mapping services can provide accurate and reliable information to those who rely on their services. Map-making services are essential to the growth and development of cities, and Noida is no different. India's rapidly growing metropolis of Noida needs effective mapping services to keep up with its rapid growth. In Noida, mapping services are in charge of producing precise and current maps that contain important details on the city's infrastructure, roadways, and different landmarks. These services are essential for emergency response systems, transportation management, and urban planning. Given Noida's rapid growth and development, mapping services are now crucial to guaranteeing the smooth operation of the city. The layout of the maps themselves is one of the most important features of the mapping services in Noida. For maps to be useful and functional, their design is essential. A well-designed map should have easy-to-read symbols and labels that swiftly and properly convey information. When it comes to Noida, mapping systems must take into account the city's distinctive form and infrastructure. This involves adequately depicting the road system, famous sites, and different amenities that are necessary for Noida inhabitants and guests. For the maps to be user-friendly and give accurate information to those who rely on them, effective design is crucial.